Hi Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to mark unwanted emails that hit your Zendesk queue as spam. So they're emails that come in, there might be system notifications like Zendesk does, but they're not actually tickets. So you sort of want them to go into another place that you can manage later on. So what we do here, you can see I've got a list here. So I will mark them. See, and then you can click on this one that marks the whole thing. Just want to make sure that that's correct. Yep, so all that. Now, you can see you've got clear selection and edit 30 tickets. What you do is click on the little downward arrow. You can merge, you can delete. Now you can delete, that will take it away for now, but it'll come back if you keep getting them. So you can mark them as spam like this. Click on that. Yes, mark as spam and delete the tickets. You click on that. It may take a time, but you can see it's bulk marking tickets as spam right now. And you've got the 3 dots doing its little dance. Once that's done, you can see those are gone. That'll be marked as spam for later on. You can see that this is, I've got still tickets here. For the future tickets that are like this, it will not come in here. It'll go into your spam section of Zendesk. And while we wait, as always guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Things like this will keep coming up. So this is basically what I'm going to be doing for a little bit of time, but that's how it kind of works. If you've got emails in there that need to come in, but you don't really need to see it in Zendesk, but you need to see it maybe in your mailbox, you can mark it as spam like that. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.